It's me, Ayesha Naomi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're making Craft Easy Do-It-Yourself Paper Whipping Kit. So this is a sunflower. In our last video, we made the what's that called? Butterfly. That is look like this one. Look at the sunflower, it's super good. Now let's open. And I know how to do. I know how to open this now. You need a scissor so you can cut the tape. Yep, actually I got some tape. I love tape. There, and let's cut right here. Cut. And cut. Here it is. Does look different, right? It's different. Now let's set aside for this. This is look different because look at it. Our last video we made the so let's open it this way. I love the strips, colorful strips. So guys, here's the sunflower. Help me! I'm a cage. I'm in a cage. Please help! Help! Welcome back to my series. So look like a mic. Look. Please check out your major line. What's the reason? It look like prison. What is that called? I don't know. So here's the strips. We have purple strips and yellow strips. We have green, light green, and pink strips. So I think that's all. Now let's take off that. So this is kind of long to take off. I will be calling Mama. Hi, Ma. Please. Can you take off these ones? Like this? That? So Mama will do it. And I will do these ones. So let's stay. My back is itchy. Why? There. Just cut it. Sorry, Mom. I need to borrow your scissors because we have no any scissors left. There. It really hurts. Mom is finished. Why are you so fast and why I'm so slow? To manage. So guys, here's the strips that Mom didn't take off. That's kind of okay. So here's the yellow and purple strips, and my back is itchy, and I don't know who is biting it. I think it's the bugs. I hate bugs. So there, and let's take it off. Take a Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. That's only my expression. Nagsasabihin nasa langit ako sa lupa. Sing that song. I will clean after this video. So guys, here it is, all the strips. Now let's do it, and I will show you how to make it. Here's the sunflower. Let's do first the leaves. So page, moving it. So. And I'll just cut. Here it is, guys. So let's go here, get the purple. Okay, guys, I'll just find scissors. Just wait. No, I didn't find scissors. Slap my face. Because Mama pinched me in the lava pool. Go in. Jeez. So guys, here it is. Now let's get the stems. So guys, there's the stem. As you can see, it's super. Oh, So in the picture has, this is like this one. Nah, it's only stem. And what could go wrong? Possibilities. Chop, chop, chop. Don't do that at home. So there, and now let's get paint stuffs. Oh yeah, I like pink. The more pink. I love pink. The more pink. I love pink. The more pink. I love pink the most, but not actually reality. And like most exhausting. And this is kind of good. No, it's not. But it's kind of good. I love pranking and jokes. Only jokes, not pranking. And naturally was nice. Okay, guys, here it is. Now cut. Hi. Hey, why are you going? So let's continue doing it. And there. Now let's cut it into many pieces. There. Now let's get purple, my favorite color. It's humongous. Huge. And let's do it. Look like Snaky. Snaky. Oh, too wiggly. Oh, wiggly Snaky. A tiger. No, too liney. Tiger. Oh, this is good for you. A little mini hamster. Hamster. And there, and let's cut it. Now let's do the other side. And there, that's kind of enough. And cut it right there, guys. Wait a minute, can I? Oh, I can't. So I can't do that one. So we'll just do the normal size. And there, and let's get the yellow. Yellow, who likes yellow? Comment down below. And cut. So guys, we'll do the green one again. So guys, this is gonna be the last one. Guys, and this is the last one. The pink one. So let's with it. Excuse me. I'd rather go to my. So here it is, guys. Cool. Guys, here's the flower. Sunset. What is it? Sunflower. Sorry. And my cheeks are super cute and super bouncy. So here it is, guys. And I hope you like my video. And please subscribe. And click the bell button. And share. And thank you guys so much. And I hope you like my video. And see you guys next time. Bye.